During our week in York, we went to the York Railway Museum. It is home to iconic locomotives, including the Japanese bullet train and the world's fastest steam locomotive. It was a fun walk through the York City Center to this museum. This is a fun place to visit for adults, but also for families with children. It's also definitely an activity to put on your rainy day list because not only is the museum free to enter, but there are a variety of activities to be enjoyed once there. My pro tip is to save time, book your free tickets online. Seeing railways up close and exploring the station hall are among the activities available. There's also a Flying Scotsman virtual reality experience as well. And there's also a Wonder Lab for kids to explore and enjoy. With a food court and a variety of fun experiences, you can easily spend an afternoon here. At the end of our visit, we decided to take their road train back to York Minster, bringing us right back into the center of York. This was such a fun day for all of us, including our two boys. So, if you are planning a visit to York, definitely put this museum on your must-do list for York.